look at this view.
Absolutely. Look at this view. Enjoy life. That's more important. Andriy Burkov, who wrote his PhD on multi-agent systems, says that today's agents aren't really agents at all. And while he's got a point about hallucinations, we're missing a bigger opportunity, which is human in the loop. Systems that can actually learn and improve. Now, here's why most frameworks get it wrong. They try to build fully autonomous agents when what we really need are agents that learn from human feedback, improve through interactions, validate their output, and know their limitations. Now, think about how humans learn complex tasks. We don't just read instructions and execute perfectly. We learn through feedback, practice, and guidance. Why should AI agents be any different? Using tools like Pydantic for validation and combining them with reinforcement learning. So, what's your name?
Alon,
Where are you from?
I'm from Sydney, Australia.
Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The AI world is split into two camps. Those who are saying that AI agents are completely useless, and then there's those who are building with really complex frameworks and hard-coded systems. Now, it doesn't mean the concept of AI agents is a myth. It just means we've been building them wrong. Now, think about it. When do LMs work the best? When they work with structured and validated outputs, when they are part of a system with clear boundaries and error checking. That's what tools like Pydantic framework gives us. Now, this is where we need to change our thinking. Instead of building complex multi-agent systems that amplify hallucinations, we need to focus on robust input validation, type-safe outputs, clear error boundaries, and reliable monitoring. Now, the future of AI agents isn't about building autonomous swarms like most of the developers want you to believe. Building systems without human oversight sounds familiar? It's about creating reliable systems, well-validated systems that process structured information, handle errors gracefully, scale predictably, work alongside humans effectively. So I've worked with a lot of businesses, and what they're looking for are not automations, are not things that will replace their jobs. People have expertise. Businesses have a standard operating procedure that they like to use for their business. We have autonomous vehicles, but people still choose to drive. Why? Because they want that control. And we want to unlock those capabilities for the businesses. We want to be able to augment their expertise, their standard operating procedures, not replacing them, not taking them out of the picture. That's why we need to move away from automations to augmentation. What do you think? How can we do better? How can we integrate systems with human feedback? Share your experiences below. Failure equals feedback. Most people resist failure because they're afraid. Failure is data, and data can be good for continuous improvement. How can we learn from feedback, scale human capabilities, and maintain human oversight? What do you think about AI?
I think it's definitely developing in a way that's going to take over the world. Like, even I now use it, like a few business ideas and stuff, and I've been developing and literally ask it every single question and answers. You talk to it like a friend, and it answers in a lot more of a reliable way.
Now, we're not just here to build cool things. We're here to build things that solve actual business problems. Focus on the fundamentals before adding complexity. Focus on the fundamentals before adding complexity. This is the most important question everybody's trying to figure out. Is AI going to take your job?
I believe it's already starting to take jobs. Certain jobs, such as teachers and stuff, maybe, which I'm actually studying, might be a bit harder for that to take over. But in terms of like finance and the business world, There'll still be the big CEOs, but all the kind of people that are on the base salary, they're going to get cut out, and there'll be less job opportunity, and they'll just pay for a computer to do it for them.
Words of wisdom right there.
Thank you.
Make sure you listen to
Alon.
Elon, yeah. And Elon Musk.
It's not how you spell my name, but
How can people adapt in your niche to survive the AI, or not survive, but adapt the AI revolution?
well, I think you gotta always go above and beyond the curve. So don't just sit back and kind of think, oh, it's going to take over. Find something where you know that you can actually use AI to help yourself, rather than going against it, because you kind of sometimes have to just come to the fact that it does a lot more than your average person. So use it to your advantage wherever you can to make your money, to help you get into the world of business or whatever you're doing.
Okay, so what that means, you shouldn't be sitting on your couch watching all these AI news. Take action, start building a product, start reading up on the latest and greatest, and start doing something. And it doesn't have to be like really crazy or something. Maybe just using ChatGPT, but thinking about getting ideas. Do something you love, something finally. You don't need coding or anything. You can get started today. And thank you, Elon, for...
No problem. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Have a good look at this view.
Absolutely. Look at this view. Enjoy life. That's more important. I hope you found value in this video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I drop a new video. Now, as you can see, the future is agentic ML. The future is human-centric development for your AI projects. Now, I'm going to turn the tables to you. What do you think? Are AI agents a myth? Are we building them wrong? Share your thoughts below. Make sure you break through the matrix, break through your limiting beliefs, and unleash the full potential of your AI agents.